What is Mand? Mand is essentially one of the first verbal utterances for most children, where they use any vocal or non-vocal behavior to request the desired items. How to teach healthy manding in 10 simple steps to your child. Identify reinforcers. Find out what motivates the child, favorite snack, toy, etc., to set a clear goal for communication. Teach calm approach. Show the child how to calmly approach an adult or teacher when requesting something. Pair reinforcement with interaction. Give the desired item immediately after the child interacts calmly to build a positive link with calm requests. Prompt subtly. Give gentle, minimal prompts when the child needs help asking for what they want. Fade prompts gradually. Slowly reduce the level of prompting so the child learns to make requests independently. Reinforce correct responses immediately. Reward the child right away after a successful and appropriate request. Use error correction. If the child makes a mistake, correct it immediately and guide them toward the right way to ask. Introduce delay and reinforcement. Gradually delay giving the reward to teach patience and sustained attention. Teach tolerance of no or returning items. Help the child remain calm when told no or asked to return an item. Teach correction of the listener's mistake. Occasionally, give the wrong item intentionally, helping the child practice correcting the listener politely and confidently.